Hey, bud. You still sleepy?
Look where we are.
Where are we? You got chocolate on your face? What's up, guys? It's me, Eric B, and welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been making a lot of content because I've been in South Korea for a year, but here we are. I'm back, and we have a surprise for you guys. We're about to go in and get a new RC car. Currently at HobbyTown here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, so let's go in and see what we're getting.
What we about to do, Owen?
Get an X-Max.
X-Max. What else have we talked about?
The XRT.
What you think we're gonna get?
Or should we get another Creighton or a sledge?
Sledge.
All right, let's go inside. Let's go. Hello. What you doing? Where's the cars at? These are Legos, dude. Let's go around the other way. Oh, look. X-Max.
Dad, look behind you.
XRT. Ooh, look at that thing. That's pretty cool. What else they got? Let's go look back here. We're gonna get infraction. What is that, bud? Is that a big truck?
We have to get this one.
Yeah, we have to get this one. All right, what do you want to get? What? Go show me the car. Do you think you want to get the big one? Which one you think? Because you told me about it. This, not this, dude. Over here. What? Come on, follow me. Follow me. What have you been talking about? Either. Which one have you been talking about? What is it called?
XRT.
XRT. Big truck. What do you want? What do you want to get?
Boy.
That one.
Why are we gonna even put it?
All right, now.
Why are we gonna even put this so big thing? Why are we even gonna put this?
I don't know, in the trunk. All right, and we're back in the garage. We got the XRT set up on the table here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox this bad boy, get it together, let you guys see what it looks like, and then get it out on the road, get a couple, runs in initially before we actually take it off the jump. And Owen, are you excited to run this car?
Yeah, I want to jump on the jump.
You want to jump it on the jump?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna let him try it out. And then also, real quick before I forget, we had to go ahead and get the the battery and the charger bundle, because I have a charger already that I've been using with my RC cars, but I left it in my shipment coming back from South Korea. And then obviously we had to get some batteries too, so we ended up getting the 4S 6700 milliamp lipos here. So we got two of those bad boys, and then we have the Easy Peak Live dual charger. So we'll get all this stuff going. We'll have to charge the batteries first, but first let's go ahead and get her out of the box. All right, we're gonna open this battery up real quick, let you guys see what this monstrosity of a battery looks like. Owen's trying to fight to get it out here. Ooh, look at that thing. Don't drop it.
This bad thing right here is gonna go crazy fast.
It's gonna go crazy fast.
It'll go flying down the road.
Yeah. All right, and go ahead and open it up, Owen. All right. Ooh.
Ooh, we got
Pull
some
this
of
thing out. Pull it out.
Ooh, it's really
Pull it. Oh, I don't know.
we might fall.
Okay, here, take this off. Take this off. There you go. Need that. Oh,
Oh,
upside
baby!
down. We got it upside down. Hold on.
Oh, this is big.
Turn it around this way.
This thing is big. This thing is big already.
All right, let me make sure we can.
We have got the
Can they see the
wheels
car?
on there. Wait, I can't really see.
Okay, here. So grab the wheels. Grab the wheels out. Grab those out. So the wheels come, or the wheels and the tires come off of the car, as you can see right there. And then Yeah. This
bad boy.
big old bad boy right here. So we can get her together here.
Give me this thing. Take this. Dad, do you need?
Hold on.
Do you need?
I need I don't have my, so I usually have like an RC stand that I put this on. That is also gone in my shipment as well. The other things you get in the box, you can see the remote controller right here. So the
This
nice
is so
TQ
cool.
or top qualifier controller. So there's that. You just gotta get some extra batteries. Where you going, bud? What are you looking for? And
I want to open.
that is everything that comes in the box. I still have to figure out how to do the body and everything.
Get the plastic off.
Get this plastic off of here.
Oh! How did I not know that?
Man, new car smell. All right.
Oh, it smells really good.
It smells really good.
I love the green color. And all this man's wheels are really big.
Ooh, this thing is clean, y'all. Clean.
This man's
this.
wheels are really big. They're really big. Like,
Alright.
I can barely hold them.
All right, so I'm gonna get the wheels on and everything, and then we'll show you guys what the truck looks like once it's fully assembled. Got it? Oh, man, these things are beefy. All right, so this is my first time with an X-Max or an XRT or anything like this, so I figured it out. The way you take the body off, there's clips on each side, so on that side and on the same thing on the other side. And on the back, you simply just put your hands in there and pull it outwards, and then the whole body just comes up. So just in case you guys are wondering, there you go, it's on there. Okay, put the screw on.
Now I just need to screw this bad, this
Yep.
little boy right here.
Put that screw on there.
Yeah, it's kind of like, I don't know
Okay.
what it's gonna do.
Put the thing on there.
Okay.
Good job. Good job.
Boys, we just got to screw this on.
All the way, there it is. All right, also in the box you get a set of instructions, you get some tools, some stickers, and the optional speed pinion. So you get to see the gear and everything in there, and that will allow the car to go about 60 miles per hour. All right, guys, so my initial assessment of this car is man, this thing is massive. It's beefy. The A-arms on this thing are big. Just everything on here looks to be like it's built to be really durable. I like how the bottom of this car is plastic, so it's really pliable. It bends easy. It's not like some of the other cars like the Creighton, and even I think the Sledge, where it has that aluminum bottom and it can bend really easy when you send it off of jumps. But we do get a wheelie bar here that's already equipped on it. That's not something extra you have to buy. The shocks on this thing, they're freaking massive. And then just looking at the motor, man, I mean, I don't think the camera does it any justice or anything like that, but just like in real life, man, this motor is huge. Has 2 fans on it. The ESC on this thing is big. It's just, man, this thing is a massive car. So I'll do a size comparison next to the Stampede. I don't have my Typhon here right now. And then also we'll let Owen try to hold it up. And I don't know if we can get a weight on this thing, but I want to say this thing is maybe like 20 pounds, between 20 and 25 pounds, somewhere in that neighborhood. But yeah, let's go ahead, get the batteries inside of it, put the top on it, and then see how much it, how much it weighs and size comparison between the other car. All right, so we got it all buttoned up. We put the batteries inside just to see how heavy it feels. Without the batteries in it, this thing is just a hair under 20 pounds. With the batteries in it, I would assume, it's a little bit over 20 pounds. I want to say the Creighton 8S is closer to 30 pounds, but I could be wrong. If I am, let me know down in the comments below. But let me show you guys how long this thing is compared to my son. This thing is heavy, though. You can get a good curl workout with it, I'll tell you what. Right here, hold that right there. Okay, so he is about 4 feet tall, so you guys can see how big it is in relation to him. But yeah, so other than that, guys, let's go ahead. Yeah, go ahead and set it down. Try to lift it up. Oh, set it down. There you go. Other than that, guys, we are going to get the batteries charged, go ahead and get it on the road and show you how it performs.